basically incognito because so many girlfriends in Thailand, I don't want them to recognize me. Arrived in Thailand almost 40 years ago. Initially, you think, well, if you're going to live in a foreign country, you got to speak the language. So I went to my local Thai language school and I learned how to say hello, goodbye, red, and number 10. And that was it. The school was full of young Thai gals that were not interested in teaching Thai, but looking for a husband. I learned nothing. So I moved on to the second school. Basically, 3 months, the same thing. So I got a personal tutor. I did that for a couple of months, didn't get anywhere. I tried CDs, books, DVDs. There was no connection, no rhyme or reason. So I had heard about Rapid Learn Thai. I'd heard about it, but I basically just kind of was disillusioned with learning Thai. A number of years later, I decided to give it a try. It was a 15-day course, 3 hours a day. The third day, the light bulb went on, and it just clarified everything that I had been trying to learn for the past 20, 30 years and got nowhere. The light bulb went on, and now speak it much, much better because of learning to read and write. Now I decided to take the one-on-one classes with Erin in basic conversation, and it has been a tremendous difference in learning the sentence structure. There's a system to it, and my speaking is so much more proficient. I highly recommend, after taking the Rapid Learn Thai, to take the basic Thai for beginners with Erin.
Awesome. So let's just start from the beginning.
Comes up.
Yeah. So what's the tone for each of these? So each individual syllable has its own tone.
I was afraid you were going to ask me that. The first one is Ladyboy.
Yep.
And it sounds so funny saying Ladyboy. Singing Ladyboy is monotone.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Come.
Come. Like a robot.
Yeah. Come. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's also a ladyboy.
Hang on, this is a girl. So I don't know if you can see, but this is a slightly different character because it has.
Okay, yeah, I see the little stickers sticking up there. Okay,
yes,
and so it's a girl, sop, and I don't pronounce the T.
Exactly, yeah. Okay. So we have the tape, duct tape on it.
Yep. Come, sop.
Let me just walk you through this. So this one here is not a tone mark, it is a vowel, and it's the sala
right.
The
right.
Yeah.
Right.
So now we just have a dead ending. So no tone mark,
right.
Dead ending, and because it's a girl now, it is sad.
Dead girl, sad. Stop.
Yes.
Come, stop. Okay, got it.
Comes up. Do you know what this means?
Comes up. Vocabulary.
Yes. Okay, got it. Okay, just making sure. Next one.
Let's see. A ladyboy with a dagger is emphatic.
Yes.
Knee.
Yeah, perfect. Good.
Okay. And the next one is a surfer. Ladyboy, uncertain.
Yes.
Knee.
Yep. Good. Knee.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it means this.
Yes. So they both mean this, but the first one is for a statement, and the second one is for pairing with a classifier. So ani, they both mean this. So don't worry too much about that at the moment.
Okay. Okay. Next is coon. Coon. Ladyboy. And the.
What's the ending? Yeah. The sound.
Singing.
Yes.
Singing.
Yes.
So, ladyboy singing monotone.
Yes.
Coon.
Coon.
Okay.
which means what?
You.
Yes, yeah. You.
Person.
So con is person, but kun is you. Slightly different vowel. Kun is like you, formal word for you, or
Okay.
Mr. or Mrs. So kunjo.
Ha. And
Mhm.
sa. This is a girl
Yep.
with a singing ending. Question. Pasa.
Good.
Pasa. Okay.
Pasa.
Pasa.
Perfect.
Pasa.
Mhm.
Okay. Language.
Language. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
And then here we have the same thing.
Okay. Pasa. Singing. Monotone.
Yep.
Pasa. Thai.
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 Good.
Pasa. Thai. Okay. Thai language.
Thai language. Yes.
Okay. Where are we at here? 47?
47. Yeah.
Kun sanit. Gup. Pa. Ma.
Mhm.
Mai. Oh. Kun sanit gup. Pa. Ma. Mai. Kun is monotone.
Yep.
Are you close up with your mother and father?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Like close to, yeah.
Close enough.
Okay. Close enough.
Close enough. For the most part, it really makes a big difference. My speaking has improved immensely. Why learn to read? I want to speak. I discovered that when I learned to read, the transition was so much easier for me. That's the struggle I had in the past, was that I would go and they would speak to you and you'd repeat it and you retained nothing and your tone never improved. So when you would talk to a Thai, they wouldn't have a clue what you were talking about. After learning to read, the speaking just flowed. It just became so much more easier. And my Thai speaking has improved immensely. But the most important part is when the Thais speak, because you know how to say stuff, but when the Thais speak, I can never understand them. Now you know exactly what they're saying. The everyday Thai for beginners is just, it kind of melds and puts it all together as far as looking at a word, making the sentence, and lo and behold, after a certain period of time, Erin noticed that she didn't have to correct me as much. So my conversation was improving and being able to read it and to speak it. And then when she would say it, I'd understand it. It's just brought everything to light, let me tell you, because of Rapid Learn Thai and one-on-one lessons with Erin.